Let's talk undertones. There are three main undertones: yellow, which is more warm, blue, which is more cool, and neutral, which is olive. This one is the biggest misconception that I find that people have of olive skin tone. What do you get when you put blue and yellow together? Well, you get green. So olive skin tone really is the most neutral of them all. Of course, you can fall more towards the warm side, more towards the blue side, but overall, you are gonna be the most neutral of all the undertones. So when I'm color matching you, I'm looking at your undertone and I'm looking at the color that I wanna bring out the most. So our makeup is different. We are not actually matching your skin tone, we're complementing it. So when you get your colors, they may feel like, oh gosh, this feels like it doesn't match me at all. Just trust the process. It is meant to complement your skin tone, to bring out the most flattering tones in your skin and give you luminous, radiant, beautiful skin.